Hello, this is Ayako Sekiguchi from Wellness Kitchen. This time, in our popular complete meal series, I'll introduce a snack recipe. With just Kinako, roasted soybean flour, banana and eggs, you can make it right away. I'll show you a super easy and healthy banana bread that only needs 3 ingredients and just mixing. It's perfect for a healthy breakfast or a guilt-free snack. I've also calculated the calories and protein nutritional values, so please be sure to check out the video. Here are the ingredients for the complete meal snack Kinako banana bread. First, we have Kinako, then banana. If you use a fully ripe banana, it will turn out delicious even without adding any sugar or sweeteners. So I want to use a well-ripened banana this time. And then eggs. First, put the banana into a bowl. The riper the banana, the more it boosts your immunity. So I recommend using a fully ripe banana, especially in this season. On the other hand, slightly firmer bananas help improve bowel movements. So if you want to relieve constipation, firmer bananas are recommended. Then use the back of a spoon or something similar to mash the banana. This time, I'm using a banana that's nice and sweet, but if you feel it's not sweet enough, feel free to add some sugar or other sweeteners to your liking. You don't have to make it very sweet at this stage, since you can add toppings at the end to adjust the flavor. That's also an option. The banana should look like this, mashed into a paste. Now add the egg to it. This is roasted soybean flour. Please ensure it's leveled off properly. I'll measure it in grams for accuracy. There's no need for that, so it's really easy. After that, just mix everything together and the dough is done. We don't use any flour, so it's really healthy, isn't it? You can also get plenty of protein from the eggs and Kinako. The batter is done. Transfer it to a heat-resistant container. You can also heat it in the microwave in this state, but this time I want to steam it in a frying pan. Transfer it to a frying pan big enough to fit a plate. Add about 1 cup of water. Then cover it and heat it over medium heat. If you're using a microwave, heat it for about 3 minutes at 600 watts. Steaming in a frying pan allows for slower, more thorough heating, which I feel enhances the banana's sweetness and makes it moister. Please try whichever method you prefer. While it's steaming, I'll talk about 3 health benefits of Kinako banana bread. The first benefit is protein. It is rich in quality, and because it contains both animal and plant-based proteins, it has a good amino acid balance. The second benefit is that each one has 240 calories, 14.2 grams of protein, and 3.9 grams of dietary fiber, so you can enjoy it like a dessert while supplementing nutrients that are often lacking. The third point is that the oligosaccharides and dietary fiber found in oats and bananas help regulate your digestive system. Since this is a complete snack that contains all the nutrients necessary for life, it's perfect not only for afternoon tea time, but also for other occasions. You can also enjoy it for breakfast or when you feel a little hungry, so please feel free to eat it anytime. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Now let's take a look. If the center is nicely puffed up, it's probably ready. Insert a skewer to check if it's cooked through. Remove from heat when done. Cooking time varies based on the container, but this method generally works. I think it's best to steam it for about 7 to 9 minutes. For the finishing touch, you can sprinkle a little Kinako on top if you like. If you really like Kinako, feel free to use a generous amount. The Kinako banana bread is ready. Now, I'd like to tell you how it tastes. The sweetness of the banana alone is enough to make it delicious and satisfying. If you feel that the banana isn't sweet enough, you can add some Kinako and honey on top as a finishing touch. Since there's no wheat flour used, it's really light. With this, you won't feel any guilt at all, and it's great for breakfast because you can get plenty of protein. I highly recommend giving it a try. I introduced a very healthy snack made with just 3 ingredients: eggs, bananas, and Kinako. It's kind of nice to know that since this is a complete meal recipe, it contains all the nutrients you need to live. However, eating this alone does not mean it will cover all the nutrients you need for a full meal. Please try incorporating this recipe to help balance your body. Thank you for watching until the end. Well then, let's meet again in another video.